Hello and welcome to Lingua Lidiya. Let's talk about going out. I like going to cafes. How about you? I enjoy going out. After a fruitful day at work, it's nice to relax with a cup of coffee. The only problem I sometimes have is getting a nice cup of coffee. Do you feel that you have this problem too? You see, I don't like milk, and I don't take any sugar in my coffee or tea. When I come to a cafe, I generally order a strong black coffee, so just an Americano. Sometimes I get asked, do you want a white Americano or a black Americano? And I have learned that the difference is milk or no milk. So when I get given my coffee, generally there is lots of space left, because it is assumed I will add milk. I sometimes ask for a glass of hot water to top it off. This way, I get a little more coffee. I don't like having very big meals at cafes. I prefer having a little of this and a little of that. It's nice to go out with friends or family. It is rather boring going on your own. I know that some people like to go on their own and people watch, especially professional or aspiring writers. I don't enjoy people watching. I think it's nicer to go to a cafe to hang out and have a chat. How about you? What do you go to cafes for? Do you go to eat something tasty? Do you go to relax? Do you go to spend time with someone? Do you take your laptop to do some work? I know that some people do, but I think that I wouldn't be able to concentrate. If you enjoyed watching this video and would like to see some more, please make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye!